let's create a new self-registration flow. So in your Apps menu, select Self-Registration and click the New button to create the new flow. For example purposes, we'll create a very simple registration flow, filling only the mandatory fields and leaving everything else to default. If you want to further customize the registration flow, you can look into the user guide, or you can hover over the question mark icons to see what the other fields mean. So let's start. Let's fill in the self-registration name. Now the next mandatory field is the from email address. That's used for verification and login credential emails that are sent out to the new users that registered through this flow. So let's just change the company to your company name. So the next field is from email name. So this will be used on the email that's sent out to the users. So you can change it from support to info or whatever you feel is necessary. If you scroll down, so the next field is the new user profile ID. So this profile ID will be used for all the new users that are registered using this registration flow. So paste in that profile ID. And last thing, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, so we need to paste in the site URL where we want to expose this registration flow. When done, click Save. So now that we've created our first registration flow, let's look at the registration form. If you scroll down, you can see there's a registration form link field that will take you to the actual registration form that the users will see. Each registration flow within Salesforce is identified by a unique ID, so you can have multiple registration flows in a single organization. So let's click on the link and look at it. Here we have a very simple registration flow where new users need to enter their first name, last name, and email to register for Salesforce Access.